Good day everyone. I'm Michael. And I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. Many programs process text, not numbers. The text consists of characters, letters, numbers, punctuation, spaces, and so on. In C#, a string is a series of characters that is used to represent text. It can be a character, a word, or a long passage surrounded by the double quotes. The following are string literals. For example, the string of Michael is a sequence of 7 characters, and the string TUP is a sequence of 3 characters. C# provides the string data type to store string literals. A variable of the string type can be declared and assigned string literal. In this example, I declared 3 variables with a data type of string and assign a string literal. The maximum size of a string object in memory is 2 GB, or about 1 billion characters. However, practically it will be less dependent upon the CPU and memory of the computer. A text in the real world can include any character. In C#, because a string is surrounded with a double quote, it cannot include a double quote in a string. The following statement will give a compile time error. Now how are we able to add double quotations and other special characters inside a string literal? To add special characters inside a string literal, we need to include an escaping character, or also called an escape sequence. An escape sequence is represented by a \, followed by a specific character that has special meaning to the compiler. Here are some of the widely used escape sequence. Here is an example of how we used an escape sequence. In line 7, I added a new line escape sequence. If we run this program, the string literal in Michael will print on the second line. In line 8, I inserted a double quote, then a \, in line 9. It is tedious to prefix \, to include every special character. Verbatim string in C# allows a special characters and line breaks. A verbatim string can be created by prefixing its symbol before double quotes. Here's how we used verbatim strings. Please note that you cannot use a \, to allow double quote in a verbatim string. If you wish to include it, then use double quotes to include in a verbatim string. Multiple strings can be concatenated with plus operator. The example shows how we can combine 2 strings such as Luffy and Monkey by using the plus operator. The statement in line 9 concatenates 4 strings, the string literal Mr., the first name variable, the string literal space, and the last name variable. String interpolation is a better way of concatenating strings. We use plus sign to concatenate string variables with static strings. C number 6 includes a special character $ to identify an interpolated string. An interpolated string is a mixture of static string and string variable where string variables should be in brackets. This sample program is similar to what we did in string concatenation but in a better way. The $ indicates the interpolated string, and the open and close brackets include a string variable to be incorporated with a string. Here are some of the common functions used in C#. We have here substring, contains, length, replace, remove, and trim function. For our self-check, what does the following statement sequence print? Comment your answer below. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.